YouTube? It is All Natural 2012 and I'm back with another video. This is gonna be an interesting video. You guys might like this. I might get a good amount of people that wanna oops, I don't know why I keep missing calls, but anyway, I am going to be doing some apartment touring. My first apartment tour is at 12 o'clock. It's 11:54 right now. The place is literally across from where I live right now. So my phone is on E, so I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. My first tour is at 12. My next one is not until 1:30. Both places are in the vicinity of where I live because I like my neighborhood. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys enjoy. It's literally 11:58 and it's gonna take me a little more than 2 minutes to get there. I am gonna show you guys the outside of the house. I mean the outside of the complex, because when I be watching videos, I be wanting to see the outside as well, because I feel like that also has to look good too. This steering wheel is so hot. 11:58. And it's literally right across from where I'm living, but I can't go straight across. Or can I? We'll see. We shall see. I think I have to make a U-turn. It's hot in these streets. I have my phone on the charger now, so it should be good. Yeah, definitely have to make a U-turn. Which is okay. It's 11:59. So we are good. And these apartments, like I looked at the we had some videos and it looked really good. Okay, we're still at 11:59. I don't like being late to things, so let me turn this down. Alright, we are here. My appointment. Where's leasing? Okay, I gotta read the signs. I really don't think these apartments are cute, but if they look good inside, then that's all that matters. Okay. Okay. Yeah, these are not cute, but okay. So I think that's the office right there. Resident parking, so that's where I'm gonna park. Okay, this is cute, to be honest. This is nice. Oops, the whole thing came off. All right, y'all. Let's see if I can do some good video. There's like people standing outside. Okay. Let's get inside and do our business. Okay. And do they all have like this flooring?
Yes, you have the wood planking right here.
Beautiful.
And full-size washer dryers are included as well. Right here at the entrance as well. Carpet in the living room and bedrooms. The rest is the wood planking. All updated appliances, stainless steel, microwave, oven, dishwasher, and fridge.
All the kitchens look like this?
Yes, all of them like that.
So beautiful.
The Jack and Jill bathroom is what really makes our floor plan stand out. So you have the half bath, full shower, and another half bath.
Oh yeah, that's nice. That's so
And you have door separate meat section.
This is really nice.
And there is doors on the bedrooms as well.
I didn't really get good footage apartment because it wasn't a tour, and I felt like recording was very weird. So building B, apartment 1. Okay, so I'm at the second place right now. I don't even know what time it is. 12:30 now. Okay, I just gotta make sure I get to the other place by 1:30. Yeah, so that first place was so beautiful. This one that I'm about to go see is a 1-bedroom and it's renovated. I need it to be renovated, okay? So they told me to go, they have a property across the street. So I'm guessing I can go out this way. Yeah, I'll do that. And these are cheap apartments. Like the 2-bedroom is literally how much I'm paying for a 1-bedroom right now. And my apartment is not super renovated. It's not super old school either, but it's not super renovated. I'm guessing that's what she's talking about. But oh yeah, that's it. Yeah, my apartment complex, and they just got me so mad, so I'm probably gonna find out if I can sublet it to somebody so I don't have to break the lease and just get the freak out of those apartments, because I am over it. So I will be back once I'm in the apartments. We're at B1. First walk in, there's a wall. Behind that is the closet. Closet, which I like. I love these floors so much. The balcony is pretty large. The living room is pretty small. It's pretty small. Let's see if I can give you an overview of that. And you have the dining room, which is a decent size. You have another closet here, which is good. You can never have too many closets. And then we have the little baby kitchen. This is a tiny kitchen, really tiny. It's just me, so I guess it wouldn't be a problem, but it's just so small. I love this so much. I love stainless steel, I love white. I don't like that these walls are like textured. Old school washer dryer. Not a fan of stackables. So then we have our hallway. Hi guys. Then we have our bedroom, which I feel like is probably this. I'm like happy that it's a square bedroom. It's probably like, it's bigger than mine's. And there's 2 closets in here, so that's perfect. Not that I have a lot of clothes, I really don't. I'm like the only person in the world that doesn't have a lot of clothes. It's so pretty. And we have the bathroom, which is pretty large compared to my bathroom that I have now. I have way more counter space in here. This one is really nice, but the first one is still nicer to me. Yep, that's that. Right back in the house. It's 1:21, so I think I'm gonna go head over to the last apartment complex that I'm gonna look at for today. And I forgot where she told me to go, but I'm gonna figure it out. She told me to do these tours in 90-degree weather, but honey, it's hot in these streets. phone is not charged and it's just too much. So I looked at the email. I see where I'm supposed to go. So it's apartment 4. They unlocked the doors at 1:20, so I should be able to walk in now. I don't know why I put this mask on, but I did. I really hate when it be people outside and I be wanting to record shit. But they be looking at you like you're retarded. But anyway, I'll be back once I get to the apartment. See y'all later. From jump, I can tell that I'm not gonna like the kitchen because the people next door, the kitchen is horrible. And I'm okay with that. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, front door, love the floors. You go to your left and those are the stairs. You go to your right and it's the kitchen, which I absolutely hate that I would have to have a kitchen like this. So I feel like it's a downgrade when you have stainless steel appliances and then you go into black appliances. It's a small kitchen, but I like the fact that you can go from this way and go to this way. So we're gonna keep going this way. And the first thing you see here to your right is a closet, which has the washer and dryer. Once again, I hate stackables. I cannot stand them. That is the tiniest little thing I've ever did seen. Whose laundry is going in there? Okay. And then to your left, you see the half bathroom, which is cool to have a half bathroom. So when you have people over, they can just use this bathroom right here. Don't touch my stuff. I'm gonna guess this is like the water heater and stuff, or whatever that is. But yeah, the living room is the perfect size for my furniture that I have right now. And then I like this because there's plenty of space where I can barbecue. I can put like a grill all the way back and be cool with that. Yeah, this is so cute. I love this floor. Okay, so that's that. I mean, the black appliance is not a deal breaker because I really, really wanted a townhouse. Okay, so we go up the stairs, going up the stairs. First thing you see is a door right here, which I'm gonna guess is a closet with really big shelves. Then to your right is the full bathroom, which is pretty much the same size as the bathroom I have now. But I love subway tiles on bathroom showers. Makes life a lot better to me because the shower that I have right now is completely horrible. Okay, now that's right off the stairs to your right. To your left is the first bedroom, which I absolutely adore. Love it. I see those people have like umbrella out there. Let's keep the sun away. Then they have the closet. Not as big as my closet now, but I mean, I really don't have any clothes. I'm telling y'all, none at all. All right, then across from that is the second bedroom, which would be a guest room because I don't have anybody else living with me. It's just me, myself, and I. Okay. I did not pay attention to the pricing, so I'm not 100% sure how much this costs, but it's 2 bedrooms, so I'm sure it'll be worth it. And it's a townhome. I want a townhome so badly. Okay, so yep, that's it. I'm back in my house. But before I close out this vlog, why is this not amazing quality like normal? What's going on? Okay, before I close out the vlog, I'm just going to say that the townhomes have a wait list and I wouldn't be able to get into an apartment until mid-May. My lease here ends in April. I planned on breaking my lease if I were to find something that I liked, or not break my lease. I was going to try and sublet my apartment if I found an apartment that I like. And I really love the townhome, so I'm probably going to stay here for my entire lease. And then for the 2 weeks that I would have to wait to move in, I would probably go to my friend's house and stay there and put my stuff in storage, which I'm okay with because I want a townhouse. I'm actually going to go look at the townhomes in her complex as well, but I would rather stay in my area because I'm a little bougie. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next time. Bye.